Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making this ultrasonic sensor radar using the Arduino. So without waiting, let me show you how to make it. So what we need for this experiment is an Arduino Uno, an ultrasonic sensor, a servo motor, a breadboard, and a few jumper wires. Now let's start the connections. First, take a jumper wire and connect it to the 5 volt, and take that jumper wire and put it to the positive on the breadboard, and then a second jumper wire, connect it to ground and put it to the negative side of the breadboard. Okay, so now we're going to stick the servo to the breadboard with some double-sided tape. Now we are going to connect the servo to the Arduino. So we are going to, the red in the middle is positive. We are going to connect the brown is ground or negative. And yellow is the trigger. Now we will take the positive and put it to the positive here in the breadboard. Negative goes to negative, and the trigger pin goes to pin number 12 on the Arduino. Now we are going to connect the wires for the ultrasonic sensor. Now we are going to take the VCC of the ultrasonic sensor and put it at positive on the breadboard, and take the ground and put it in negative. And then we will take the echo and put it in pin number 11 on the Arduino, and take the trigger and put it in pin number 10. Now the connection is over. It's time to upload the code. So connect your Arduino to your laptop. It's time to upload the code. I'll have the code for this in the description. You can go and copy it, and you copy the code and paste it into the Arduino IDE, and then upload it to the Arduino and wait for it to finish uploading. Once it's done uploading, go to the processing app, which I'll have the link in the description. You can download it. Once you download that, there will also be code for processing in the description. You download it. I'll have the link for it. Now once you download it, paste it into the processing app and just click on run, and then you'll see the radar. Okay, so now the programming and connections are all done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how it is working. So now if I put anything in front of it, and when the ultrasonic sensor reaches there, it will show red on the radar, and anything I put in front of it, it will show red. It also shows the distance it is away from, and also the angle the ultrasonic sensor is at while it is detecting it.